Hi, my dear children, students, parents, and friends. Welcome back to your channel. Hey, Kalpana ma'am. You know, we have already started covering Cambridge books, right? So, last time we had covered grade 1 of one of the lesson and poem, right? So, this time I thought let me just take grade 2 Cambridge book, okay? So, from Cambridge book, I have selected the second grade. I've gone for second grade, and I know you all would have been already heading towards second term portion, right? Isn't it? First term is almost done. So I thought let me just pick one of the lessons that will be useful for you, right? So today we are going to see grade 2, lesson number 6, the banyan tree. This is a very simple and nice story. It's a very easy and very simple story. In this, one of the character, Aunt Sumi, she actually talks about the banyan tree, uh, of which one of the boy Rohit, he already know, he's aware of the use of banyan tree and all, but the girl doesn't know, so she's very desperate to know more about the banyan tree. So that's what the story all about. Let's go ahead and see the characters. Okay, let's have the video presentation here. Yeah. Aunt Sumi and the children were talking about the tree one afternoon. It was afternoon time, and this is Aunt Sumi, right? And she was talking to the children. Okay, one child, you say child. More than one, it becomes children, right? So let's see, who are they? She told them that the banyan tree is the national tree of India. The banyan tree is the national tree of India. Okay, that's what she said. Rohit. So who's this character? Rohit. Okay. Rohit already knew that. He already knew that our national tree is banyan tree. But the second character, the third character, Ria. What's this girl's name here? Ria. Okay, Ria doesn't know more about tree in their village. She doesn't, but she has the curiosity to know more. She wants to know. And who's actually telling all these things about the trees? Aunt Sumi. Yes. See, so Aunt Sumi started telling them with a smile. So she was happy to tell them about the tree. She was happy to share the things to their children, to her children. A big tree grew out of a little seed buried deep in the soil. Where does the tree come from? It comes from a small seed. So where did the seed? You can you keep it anywhere and it will become a tree? No, it has to be buried inside the soil. Buried means to put under the soil and cover the seed. That's called burying. Okay. So deep in the soil, the seed has to be buried. The sunshine warmed its little heart. We all need sunshine, don't we? Isn't it? The same way plants, seeds, trees, they also need sunshine here. So from the sunshine, what do they get? They get the warmth. They get the warmth. Warmth means the heat. The required heat here. When the rain falls, what happens? What happens? How we get wet? In the same way, the soil also gets wet, and inside the soil, what's there? The seed. So the seed, as soon as the seed felt the sun, the rain, immediately it woke up. It woke up. It woke up from the sleep. Can you see? The seed has already come up, right? Can you see the small shoot, right? Okay, one day it opened its eyes wide. First it has to come out. Then the bud has to open its eyes. You can see the split. See, that's called opening eyes wide. It saw the wonderful world around and tiny plant was born. When it could actually open its eyes and see, by then it was a tiny plant. It saw the wonderful world around and a tiny plant was born. I'm sorry, the screen got repeated. Gradually, the small plant, it grew bigger and bigger. See, that was such a small, first stage was seed. Then it was a small plant. Then it's getting a little bit bigger and bigger. It kept growing. And finally it became to a huge tree. See? Can you see the tree? Isn't it huge? Huge means large, big. Isn't it large, big? Isn't it? Yes, it is. Right? You can see. Now it's no more a plant at all. That's a tree. Okay. It spread its branches, flowered every year. Every year it gave flower. Who gave the flower? Who gave the flower? The banyan tree. The banyan tree gave the flowers. Okay. When? Every year it flowered. Okay. After flowering, what is the next stage? First flower, the next stage is the fruit. Okay. And gave fruits that look like berries. Can you see the small fruits, right? So they looked like berries. So the first stage was, or what was the first stage? It was flowering. What was the second stage? That was fruits. And how did the fruit look like? It looked like berries. How it looked like? It looked like berries. Now, the banyan tree is like a home to many. This point has to be noted. The banyan tree is a home to many. It said many. So let's see who all. Okay. It's a shelter to many. Okay. Let's see that in the next screen. Okay. It gives shelter and shade. It gives shelter and shade. Shelter means place to live. Shade means when you are actually out in the hot sun and you come and stand underneath the tree, that is when you get to know the difference between the shade and a hot burning sun on your head, right? Okay, and the children play near it. Whenever you feel like playing, what are you being told by your parents? Don't play in the sun. You'll get exhausted. Play in the shade, right? So the children used to play in the shade. They swing on its branches and have fun. Can you see the kids? Banyan tree, the branches are so very strong, dear. That these things, if you hold and swing, it won't break at all. So kids are enjoying. They're enjoying. They sleep under its shade when they are tired. After playing, they don't have energy to go home. They just take a short nap there. They take rest. Apart from that, what all? In the afternoon, people sit and talk under the tree. In the afternoon, when people see children, when you walk in the hot sun, you want to sit and talk. First, what you look for? You look for a shade. Look for a nice place where you can feel the comfort. So in the same way, people over there, they used to sit and talk under the banyan tree. The tree is a home for many. You remember the slide we had seen? Many, right? So in many, what at all comes? Birds, small animals and insects. Birds, small animals and insects. See, can you see the birds? Can you see the small animals, squirrels and all? Can you see the insects? Insects? There are insects, ants and all, right? Isn't it? So they all dwell on the tree itself. The medicines are made from different parts of the tree. Some medicines are made using the leaves. Some are made using the roots. Some are made using the stem. Got it? So from different parts, medicines are also being made. Ria was amazed to hear all this. She's like, oh my God. Why she was amazed? Because she didn't knew much about the tree. She didn't knew much about the tree. Rohit, he already knew. He knew that the banyan tree is the national tree of India. But she didn't even knew that. So once she came to know one after the other, the uses of banyan tree, she was amazed. She's like, wow, is it? So she feels very proud. The children said together, both of them said together, what did they say? We too should always love and care for a lovely friend. We also must love and care for a lovely friend. So who's the friend here? Who's the friend here? Is Rohit talking about Ria? Is Ria calling Rohit as a friend? Or they both are calling Aunt Sumi as friend? No. They all are representing only one thing as a friend. That's the banyan tree. Yes. That's what is the banyan tree. So we all should love and care. Show love and care towards. That's what the story talk about. I hope it was very clear, dear. Okay, so we'll take a small short break and then we'll come and continue with the textual exercises. I know till here you'll be thinking, oh my god, now this is the part where I need help and ma'am is finishing off. No, no dear, just hold on. I'll be back within a break. Okay, take a short break and then in the next video I'll be shooting all the exercises, dear. Textual exercises will be covered. Nothing to worry. Okay, dear. Till then, bye bye.